Program number 23. Object 1, population, stores the details of population in 4 metro cities. So, population variable will store 4 metro cities population. And object 2, average income. Average income is another variable, stores the total average income reported in previous year in each of these metros. Calculate income per capita. This one you find out, income per capita for each of these metro cities. So how you will do? First you store the population and average income, then afterwards you can find the income per capita. So first import pandas as PD. Series object 1, that is population has given, population equal to PD dot series. You write 4 metro cities population. This one, any random numbers you can write it, comma, listen, this is the backslash. So in this backslash also you can use it for next line. It will not generate any error. Okay, if you will not write, then also okay, it is optional. Now index equal to Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. These are the 4 metro cities. Now average income, PD dot series, any random value you will take it, index in the same 4 metro cities. Now per capita, how you will find? Average income by population. How you will find? Average income by population. So average income by populations, whenever you will do it, per capita it will generate. Income per capita. Now print population in 4 metro cities of India. So this one will display. Now population, this is for quotation, only it will display as a comment. Now population, so then it will display population value. Now average income in 4 metro cities of India, so that is also in the quotation, so this one will come as a comment as it is. Now average income, this one will come, this values. Now income per capita in 4 metro cities of India, that is per capita. So after divided, calculated, this one will come. Now run the program. See, population in 4 metro cities of India, Mumbai this, Delhi this, Kolkata this and Chennai this, integer 64. Now average income, this is the average income. Now come per capita. Per capita, see, 2 values are integers, but whenever we are dividing, so it will come to the fractional. So floor 64. This is the income per capita's value. This is the question number 23.